Living a life of gratitude. Cultivating joy. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform your life. It has the ability to shift your mindset and bring a sense of peace and contentment. When you focus on the good things in your life, no matter how small, it shifts your perspective and opens your heart to experience more joy. This practice can help you find happiness in the simplest of moments. Make it a habit to thank God for your blessings every day. This daily practice can deepen your sense of gratitude and bring more joy into your life. Thank Him for your health, which allows you to enjoy life's activities and experiences, your family, who provide love and support, your friends, who bring laughter and companionship, your job, which gives you purpose and fulfillment, and even the challenges you face as they help you grow and become stronger. When you approach life with a grateful heart, you begin to see the world through a different lens. This new perspective allows you to appreciate the beauty and wonder in everyday moments. You notice the beauty in everyday moments and appreciate the people in your life more deeply. This deeper appreciation can strengthen your relationships and bring more joy into your interactions. Gratitude cultivates joy, and joy is contagious. When you are joyful, you naturally spread that joy to everyone around you, creating a positive ripple effect. When you are joyful, you spread that joy to everyone around you. This shared joy can create a sense of community and connection, making the world a brighter place for all. Once you have experienced the transformative power of God's love in your own life, it's natural to want to share it with others. Sharing your faith doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. It can be as simple as living your life in a way that reflects God's love and grace. Be kind, compassionate, and forgiving. Offer a helping hand to those in need. Speak words of encouragement and hope. Let your light shine so brightly that others can't help but notice the difference in you. Your life can be a testament to the power of God's love.